Har Har Mahadevi. So this really is about the book. Finally, a lot of questions people are asking, and since we have taken the pre-order, we were estimating like around like 1001, but till now we have got around like 200. So we are thinking like we'll print around 251. So last chance, because we don't have like such a huge setup, so that's why we needed to take the order first, so that we can manage like how many we need to print, and then we can ship directly, because logistic problems. Like, otherwise how will you store the books and how will you do all of that? So once everything is there, like, then easily it can be done. And because we wanted the book to be special, so these are the two, like, it was written in 3 parts actually. So like this was the first part, this was the second part, and the third part we could not get from, because I have already gifted all of these parts to different people. So we have to get it back. So third part we couldn't get it, so we decided to write it again. So we got a new third part, and then we wrote it again. And this third part, that's why it's new also, because when we started to write it again, then we wrote it in a manner that it should be more according to the present scenario and presently what I think about things. So let me read something from there. And now as the book is completed, so we will start the printing one and all that process, and then we'll ship. So it will take estimate like, let's say, 10 to 15 days only. And as you know already, like, because we don't have like such a huge setup and everything, so because we personally have to do everything, like so in that sense, like, took some time. But because we wanted it to be special, because it's a consecrated copy, and like, only, let's say, if you are printing only 250, then those 250 will be like the unique ones which will be never be printed again. And so, and this was anyways like the original one, because people have stolen and like sold a lot of these printed ones and everything. So we wanted like it to be kind of like re-established its integrity again in the world, like. Okay, so this one, like, you can order now if you have not ordered, and then we finalize the final number of the copies, and then now we will start like taking photographs and digitizing it and putting into printing. Anything else? This will be like, we will package and everything. So we are putting a lot of efforts in making this like very special one. Like, it will be consecrated, personalized, and everything. It will be done. Har Har Mahadev.